How to reshare a tagged story on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now whenever someone tags you in their story, what you can do is you can directly go to the DM section where you will receive a notification. So you'll be receiving a notification, or you can also go directly to the notification or activity center, and here you'll be able to see the notifications. So let's just look for it. So you can tap on DM section and you can just go for any of the stories or the option, and here you'll be able to see the option of add to your story option. So tap on it, and as you tap on add to your story, you'll be able to create a template for you to add into your story. You can select whichever model is more convenient for you, and then you can just share it over here by tapping on your story. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.